Hello. From our trip to Spanish Cartagena, you can see our arrival and the first images. We set off by train towards the city of Cartagena. So let's take a look at the view. Oh, maybe not. Let's start the walk in Cartagena's old town. I love these reflective paving stones. We rested at the Riverino ice cream shop in Cartagena. The walls were stylishly decorated with confectionery tools. LIQ fountain statue. This statue of a little boy with a fish in his hand commemorates the street children of Cartagena at the turn of the 19th and 20th centuries. They were called IQs. Their lives were closely tied to fishing. For a living, they collected the small fish discarded by fishermen or dropped at the markets. Calle del Carmen is Cartagena's most vibrant street. Modernism and neo-Baroque. Wrought iron balconies, colorful tiles, and stucco ornaments reflect Cartagena's flourishing era in the 19th and 20th centuries. Its flourishing was driven by mining and the nearby port. During this period, wealthy citizens and industrialists erected grand apartment houses and palaces, many of which now serve as banks, shops, and offices. At the end of Calle del Carmen stands a bronze statue of a guardian angel, unveiled in 2015. We take you on a glimpse of the Mediterranean charm of the landscapes and plantations unfolding around Cartagena, as seen from the train, and we walked through Cartagena's most vibrant and ornate street. In the next episode, we'll continue our walk through the city streets and stories.